Hey Bugs, welcome back to the channel. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley, and today we'll be slaying this beautiful wig from start to finish. Now this one comes courtesy of RPG Show. This is their packaging as always. It lets you know that the wig has been nicely disinfected, and it comes super amazingly packaged. This is our beauty right here. She's this beautiful custom color wig. She has golden highlights, wavy texture. She's 20 inches in length and 200% density. She comes set as a center part, and here is a look at the inside construction of the cap. And don't forget, they did include an elastic band. That way this wig will fit super snug. Now off the bat, I love that they included a dark root. A dark root helps any wig look beautiful on brown skin. Here also is a look at what the wig looks like from the back. As I mentioned, she has a wavy texture. It's like they curled the hair, and it kind of has a little bit more of a tighter curl at the very ends. As you also can see, the wig fits super snug on me, and what I love most about RPG Show wigs are that they fit super duper snug, so you don't really have to worry about anything. I'm gonna go ahead and just cut off the excess lace. I don't really care to tweeze the hairline in this one just because I feel like they've already custom styled this one to the T, and you really don't have to do much work at all. Now, as I mentioned in the intro, we're going to be installing this wig from start to finish. Very beginner friendly, so don't be intimidated. We're going to be doing a glueless adhesive, and this one here comes from Bold Hold. I'm going to apply a nice thick layer along the hairline, kind of let it get tacky for maybe about 15 to 20 seconds. Apply the lace directly on top. Allow that to melt in and kind of pressing it in here and there. And then I'm going to blow dry on a cool setting. I'm going to repeat the same step on one side, and then I'll also do the other side off camera.
Jag minns ju den tid du gav mig livebilder, jo. Nu vill jag kunna ge tillbaka allt jag inte kunna ge förut. Det finns ju ingen annan där som kan stå här by my side, oh why. Sättet du rör på det får mig att dö för dig, baby. För de här yardis, de vill ju bara dra ner oss. Men du är fett och vanlig. Och det jag lägger all min tid och jag vill ha dig. Du får mig känna safety. Jag kan nog leda, baby.
Now that we have the wig installed, the hardest part is already done. Again, if you want to go in and tweeze the hairline, you can definitely do that before your install. But we have her set in and she's not going anywhere. Now, don't mind the imperfections along the hairline. It just comes from being a little bit more impatient and rushing with the install, but I'm going to clean that up as we go. As we do our baby hair, it'll go and it'll melt right away. We're going to perfect the parting. It has a nice 6-inch deep parting. I added my wax stick along the top. I brushed it in off camera, and now we're going to go ahead with the electric hot comb and just really baby the hairline and the parting and make sure we can get it as flat as possible. And then from here, we're going to work on the baby hair.
Baby girl, you're so fine, I can't get you off my mind. Ooh girl, nah, nah. Ooh girl, nah, nah. Baby girl, don't need to flex, dance to the rhythm and you do all the rest. Ooh girl, nah, nah. Ooh girl. When I'm done, lift me up with your company. There's no telling what you want me creating. We're on the same wavelength. Feel the beat tonight, something good inside. Set you free, like you lose all track of time. Come on, have a conversation. Don't treat me like a stranger. You give me motivation, make my life vacation. When we are together, I surrender. Give you all my money, make you look so lovely, never feeling lonely. Baby girl, you're so fine, I can't get you off my mind. Ooh girl, nah, nah.
So I wasn't sure if I wanted baby hair with this one or not, but because I did kind of a messy install, I'm not even gonna lie, it just made it super simple and easy to make a decision to do baby hair along the sides. You guys know I do that swoop on the side as well as a sideburn, and I think it came out very tasteful because in the center it still gives like a no baby hair look. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add the powder to the hairline as well as concealer in the parting, and this is what is gonna set it off the most. I did use an edge control, and if you don't want to use an edge control, definitely opt for a mousse for a more fluffy look. You can also use a curling iron to make the curls, not the curls, but the baby hair pop as well. There are so many different options you can do. I'm going to do the opposite side of baby hair off camera, and then we're going to use the elastic band to go ahead and set this and melt it in to the hairline and make it look super nice. Doesn't that look so good? And it still gives like super big forehead in the center, so it doesn't look too wiggy. This elastic band is just a piece of elastic band from a roll. You can pick this up at your local Walmart or Target or craft store, or you can purchase it on Amazon, which is where I get mine. I'll be sure to leave a link in the description box for you guys. Now let's work on the ends. Add heat protectant to the ends, really to all of the hair, just to preserve the life and longevity of your unit. I absolutely love the color on this one. She gives very much a Beyonce vibe, very beautiful against my complexion, but not too extreme to where, you know, it's going to be like not safe for work or something like that. If I did not mention, this one is Katie Bloom 008, and she comes in about 5 different colors. This one here is, I believe, called Same as Picture when you click the link in the description box, but it comes in like a black and then a few more natural tones of brown. I highly recommend this color. It didn't have any weird scent to it. It had super beautiful body, so it wasn't like the hair was damaged. No crazy smells, no shedding, nothing adverse at all. So you're definitely gonna love this one in your collection, and she's definitely gonna last because RPG Show definitely has high quality hair. I'm doing simple and easy flat iron curls. I find these just to be an easy way to give life and body to your hair and kind of give it a more custom look. And mine definitely came out super nice. I did this side on camera, and then I finished the opposite side off camera.
Oh girl, nah, nah. Baby girl, don't need to flex. Dance to the rhythm and you do all the rest. Oh girl, nah, nah. Oh girl, nah, nah. You're my island, tray of diamonds.
At this point, your girl was definitely feeling herself. I love the way this one came out, and I love even more the fact that, you know, she looks super natural. I didn't go for the Instagram baby hair or, you know, pluck and tweeze. I just made it look really nice for me. Very classy, grown and sexy wig. Great for every day. Also great for going out, vacation, no matter what, you know, the season is, the cause is. This one will definitely be a perfect addition to your collection. Don't forget to check the description box for a link to her, as well as list and links of everything I use in this look. Also stay tuned for my live thoughts on this wig.
You say you're special, one of a kind, one of the better boys. I'm on your level, that's what you say, but all I hear is noise. I don't have time for trying my luck. I've been too hurt before. You're not that special, just give it up. I think I've had enough. I'm too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter.
Okay, love bugs, we are officially done with this look, and I'm absolutely in love. You guys know we do beginner friendly installs on this channel, and it is the perfect collab to go with RPG Show. This company is known for giving some of the best wigs on the market, and always superb packaging, and most importantly, their wigs are super easy to install. So before we get into the tea on this wig, they did give me a little info card that has all the information on my wig. This will be included in your package as well. Her name is Katie Bloom 008. She's a silky texture, 20 inches in length. I went for a size 1 cap construction, and I will say it fits super snug, not too tight, not even in the least bit, but it just, for this to be a frontal wig, it fit super snug, which is Chef's kiss. Now also another few things about this wig, it did come with this Swiss lace in a color medium brown. I went for the Cap B construction, which is a lace front wig, 200% density, and yeah, need I say more? Now obviously if this is not your color of choice, it does come in a natural color, and there are plenty and plenty, probably almost hundreds of different options on the site, so you can definitely choose a different length, you can choose a different cap construction. All of that is pretty much customizable for you. Also in the box were a few goodies. As always, they gave me my wig caps, which I love so much. They also gave me a flyaway tamer. This is pretty much a wax stick, very similar to the wax sticks I use in this video. And then they also gave me a hairstylist lookbook, which is super awesome. Now the tea on the hair. You guys literally just watched me install this wig. And I know I edited and made it look all good, but honestly this was the quickest install on the planet. It literally took me all 20 minutes to install the wig and get the baby hair together. Maybe an additional maybe 10 to 15 minutes to curl the wig. But as you guys can see, after my install, the wig was pretty much done. I didn't have to do anything. If anything, I could have just added a quick little serum and that would have sufficed. But I did want to play with the curls and just see how it would work. You know, some wigs, even if they come with curls in it, they will drop or they just won't, you know, have a good bounce to it. You guys can see the proof is in the pudding with this wig. It has so much body to it. And yeah, I honestly don't have any complaints. If I can give you a tip, I would honestly say if you want, you can go in and tweeze out the hairline a little bit more. I'm 100% okay with it like this. And even adding a little bit of baby hair kind of pulls the hair and breaks it apart so that it appears to be a little bit more tweezed. That probably is the only thing I can say about this one, and that is just all about preference. Again, I am Ashley Bedeck, and I love, 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 love this wig. And I also love teaming up with RPG Show. So if you love this wig as much as I do, don't forget to check out the description box for a direct link with all the details on this wig. Also, I've included a list and links of everything I used to complete this look. Also, don't forget to subscribe, share this video with your friends. You can go ahead and comment because of course the comments are finally back. But yeah, I have so much to catch you guys up on, so stay tuned for some vlog content as well. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches!